Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another mini puzzle box for you. It is on a 4x4 plate again, just like the last one. And I'm going to show you how to solve it. So first, you can get this tool. Next, go over here and then push this in. Now you can take out this new tool. Now you might be looking at it and you'll see nowhere for this piece to go in. Well, that's because you have to get this tool over here and go up here, stick it in here, you push in, and then you can go over here and remove this big piece. Now you'll notice that that has uncovered a hole right here. Push it in. Then you'll notice that this thing has been moved over a little. You can use your fingernail or the tool to push it over. Like this. Push in. And now our money sticks out on the other side. I will now show you how to reset this puzzle box. So first, you're going to want to push in this money piece. After you have done that, get your fingernail and just kind of start sliding over. You'll have to use the tool to do it the rest of the way, like this. Now get this red piece and then put it in right here. Now you can get this piece, make sure that the part with this hole goes in where the money piece is. You might have to push the money piece in a little bit more and then push in right here. Then you can put the tool in right here, and I always like pushing down on the roof a little right here because I feel like it has the tool stay in a little better. I will now show you how to build this Lego puzzle box. So first, get a 4x4 plate and put these pieces on like this. Next, get a money piece or any other piece that has a bottom like this. For best effect, I would put the one near the outside of the box so people will see the one and they'll know it's in $100 bill. Alright, so now we can get this piece right here. It's a 1x1 tile, and we'll put it on right here, you see, on that piece. Now we are going to build up a few walls. So the first wall we are going to build up is we're gonna get one of these 1x1 bricks with a hole going through it. Now we'll get a 1x1 brick, just a normal one. And now we'll get a 1x2 brick with a cross in the middle. Put it on right here. Now get a red axle or whatever these things are called, and then push it in through here like that. Now we can put a 1x1 plate on right here. And then we will go ahead, get a 1x2 brick, put it here. And then we will finish up with putting a flat corner right here, a corner plate. We are now going to build up another layer. So get this again. And then get a 1x1 tile, put it on right here. Now get a 1x1 plate, put it on right here. Now we can get a 1x2 plate, put it on right here. Then get a 1x3 plate, put it on here. Now get a 1x4 tile, put it on right here. Then we can get a 1x2 tile and just place it on this piece right here. We are now going to build that big piece that you take out. So first, get 2 1x2 plates and stack them like this. Now get a 1x3 plate, put it on top of them. So we have this. Now get a 1x2 tile and put it on top of these. Now we can get a 1x3 plate, and then we'll put on the bottom of this little part of the 1x3 plate that was over here, like that. Now we can get a 1x1 tile and put it on right here. Now let's get 2 1x1 plates, and then we will stack them like this, and then we'll place them on the end. Now we'll get 1 1x1 plate, put it on right here, and then we'll get a 1x3 tile, and we'll just do it. We'll put it on the top of here. Now let's get our box, our puzzle box again, and then we'll place it on right here. Make sure it's on the money. This part should go in like this. So we place it in like this. Now just get this, and then go ahead and push it in, and then you'll notice how it's locked in here now. It is now time to complete the build. So get the puzzle box again, and then get 1 2x2 plate and just put it right here. Now get 1 1x1 plate, put it here, and then get another one of those and then put it on top of that. And now we are going to build the roof. So for this roof, you are going to need 2 2x4 tiles. Then you will get 1 1x4 plate, and just go ahead and put it on right here, half of it on here and half of it here. Then get a 2x4 plate and put it on right here. Now if we get our build again, we can get a 1x4 tile, put it there, that's the tool. Now make sure, just get this piece again, and then make sure you have the 1x4 plate part on the side with the tool, and then just put it on top like this. Oops. 1 second. Just put it on like this. And we have completed the build, and it should work correctly when you try it.